Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are fine and enjoying good health. Myself, Dr. Imran Abbas, bariatric surgeon in Dubai and CEO of GLR, Global Laparoscopy and Robotics. Great news from Pakistan, from GLR Pakistan chapter, and Adil Bangash, who is board member of Global Laparoscopy and Robotics Pakistan chapter. He is going to schedule a master class for 2 days in Lady Reading Hospital regarding bariatric surgery or weight loss surgery. As you all know, obesity is a real pandemic, and definite one of the way of treatment is weight loss surgery and laparoscopic access. So definite in this era, so we need such training programs and master classes, especially for our youngsters. So sharing knowledge is very important. So it depends on our seniors, so who are already working there and sharing their knowledge. So definitely this will be a great platform for all of us to especially hold the hands of our youngsters. So my humble request to all of you, my viewers and youngsters, so must participate in this academic activity that will be in February 2022 in Lady Reading Hospital, Peshawar, a beautiful city of Pakistan. So definitely we will have master trainers from all over the world, and also some of master trainer they will be online as a expert panel. In this master class we will demonstrate live surgeries like OAGB, so who are a follower of Carbaho, and also we will also follow and we will have a live surgery of MGB mini gastric bypass original technique, and also we will have Roux-en-Y gastric bypass and sleeve gastrectomy. In my opinion, this will be great opportunity for our youngsters to learn from such mentors. So definite hope see you soon. I will be. It is great honor for me and feeling privileged to be part of such a great academic activity. I will be there in Peshawar, and definite we will talk about our training programs, about GLR, and also about tips and tricks of one anastomosis gastric bypass that we are doing nowadays. And there is some hybrid that type that personally I am doing, that is not original technique of Carbao and also not original technique of Rutledge. So there are some changes that I have changed and some variation in 2013 according to our dietary habits and also our people, and also now accepted, and many of surgeons they are doing such a technique that we call it hybrid, that is not original MGB, not OAGB. And definite in this debate we will talk about MGB and OAGB and what is the difference between these two techniques. So very soon I am excited to see you again in Lady Reading Hospital, and also we will also talk about GLR and also in future GLR programs in Pakistan and also at the globe. Now we have about 10 chapters in Middle East, in Central Asia, in Africa and in Europe. We will talk about this and also about our fellowship programs that we facilitate our youngsters. Now we are affiliated with many universities like Madrid, Napoli, Taiwan. So many universities were affiliated already, and we are facilitating our youngsters for fellowship programs. And very soon we are going to start fellowship program, mini, intermediate and full fellowship in Pakistan. And this will be a great opportunity to talk with each other, and also we are excited to hear from your side also as well. So how can GLR can facilitate our youngsters? So soon I will see you in Peshawar Global Laparoscopy Robotics. Welcome you, and also as a CEO of GLR, really I am excited to all of you to see in Lady Reading Hospital, Peshawar. Thank you. See you soon.